Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Mac and I make travel videos all over the world, and specifically today we're going to go ahead and give you a tour of our Airbnbs. A lot of you guys have really expressed the interest in how much you've enjoyed the Airbnb videos where we show you what the cost of the place is, a tour of it, and how we get there in different places all around the world. So guys, today we're on Ambergris Caye. The pronunciation is probably wrong, and here we're on the island, specifically in San Pedro, right downtown, and we're staying at an Airbnb right on the water with beautiful views, specifically for Chelsea's birthday, which is the occasion that brought us to Belize here. So guys, let's go ahead and give you a tour of the accommodations here. So guys, when we first arrive here, just walk right through this gate, and we're on the second floor here. There's a two-level place. I think there's another Airbnb down there, so you can rent either the top or the bottom floor. For us, we wanted the top because you can see the ocean just a little bit better. When you get to the top of the stairs, then you have a washing machine, a dryer, a grill, and just a nice patio that wraps all the way around the place. So out here on the back patio, we have a table and chairs to just kind of hang out. It's quite windy here, by the way, so sorry if the wind's a little muffled here. Hopefully it'll get better. So next to the patio, there is a staircase that leads you right down to the beach. And out there, you know, you can walk right out onto the dock, go in the water, whatever you want to do. All right, so let's head on inside, guys, and go show you inside the place. So when you first walk in, you go directly into the kitchen here, and it has everything you need. You got your fridge, sink, nice stove top right here with 5 burners, as well as all the glasswares, knives, and everything you need if you want to cook some meals. And then over here, there's a really nice bathroom, basically tile all around, a Western toilet, a really nice sink here, hot and cold water on tap, ready to go. And then in here, living room with a nice flat screen TV, really nice decorations all around. You kind of get that beach, you know, beachside feeling. So if you're from the US, the great news is you don't need to bring a converter because they're the same style plugs. And then coming into the last part of the Airbnb, right here is the master bedroom and only bedroom. And you have all this nice closet space. And of course, my favorite part is you have the views directly out into the ocean, so you can wake up feeling like you're totally on the beach already. And then coming back right here, this is the sliding door that leads you right out to the balcony that we showed you guys earlier. So for all of this, it comes out to just over $700 for 4 nights, which comes out to about $180 per night, which is really a great deal to have a beachside spot. And especially we're right near the heart of downtown San Pedro, so we can get to anywhere within walking distance quite quickly. So guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next Belize video.